So now we are going to do filing operation. So here this is a special machines lab. So if you are going to any operation like shaping or milling any operation, even grinding also, you have to, first thing is you have to file. So filing means so to remove the rust surfaces on full side. So all the sides, that is on the surrounding. So this is a plate of 100 mm to 20 mm. Okay, so this is a plate and thickness is 6 mm. So now you have to file this surfaces. Surface means only on the surrounding side surfaces. So this is a bench wise. So this one is a movable block. So this one is a fixed block. So just I am tightening. So before going to operation, you have to fold, that is tight the button, and then any ID card, anything is there means you just hold it. Now this is a filing, flat file. So using this you have to file. So this is for to remove the rust. Any corrosion is there, you have to remove. So this you have to do for all the sides, all 4 sides you have to do. So this is a tri-square and which is used to check 90 degree. So for going, that is doing any operation means it should be, all sides it should be a 90 degree, like this. Now we are going to see the surface grinding operation. So this is a surface grinding machine, you can see the specification. So it is a magnetic chuck, it is used for a work holding device. So you can see this is a surface grinding machine. So this is a grinding wheel. So normally if you see grinding operation means it will not remove any material, just it will finish the surface. So if you want to finish the surface, you have to use a grinding machine. So depends upon the workpiece. If it is a flat surface, you can use the surface grinding machine. If it is a circular job, then you have to go for a cylindrical grinding machine. So since this is a flat surface, you have to use a surface grinding. So this one is a grinding wheel. Once it is switched on the motor, it will rotate with very high speed. So around 10,000 RPM it will rotate. So if you want a good surface finish, the speed should be higher. It may be any machine, the speed should be high, then only you will get a high surface finish. So now this is a work holding chuck, and here we are using as a magnetic chuck. So to fix, that is to do operation, you have to fix any one. So any one should be fixed, other one should be rotate. So here the job is fixed, the tool, the grinding wheel will rotate. So this is a job, and you can fix here by the help of a magnetic chuck. So normal this is in off position. So you have to, if you want to fix, you have to fix like this. So now it is arrested. So it is fixed now. So now you can do a operation using a surface grinding machine, and there is a 3 wheel is there. So we are using 3 movements. So first one, so this is a front and back movement. So using this wheel you can move this a bed front and back. So this is to cover the surface, and this wheel is for moving up and down. So depends upon the job thickness, you can move the bed up and down. So now we are just moving down. So very fine movement only, ups and down. You can see only in close. And this one is a left to right movement. Okay. So depends upon the job thickness you can move. So these are the various adjustments. So now you have to switch on the machine. So some readings are given. So what is the reading you want? That means mm, centimeter. That you have to note using this here. So for 1 mm means you have to rotate 1 revolution. So like that. Okay. So now you have to switch on the machine. is completed. The full surface is fully finished. Now you have to, using this lever, you have to remove the workpiece by the help of a magnetic chuck. So this is a magnetic releaser. So before going to take the workpiece, you have to be careful. It may be very hot. Okay, be careful. So after the grinding operation, so it is like this. So finishing. Okay. So this is a surface grinding operation. So the surface is finished.